Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into Bet365 account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Bet365 account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and search for bet365.com and hit on enter. And then you'll be redirected to the home page of Bet365 like this. Now in order to log into your account guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen you can see guys there's a login button available for us just beside the join. Now in order to log into your Bet365 account, click on the login button first, and over here this kind of interface will appear where you'll be required to enter your username, and after that enter your password which you had registered on Bet365 at the time of creating your account. And after entering your username and password, simply click on the login button over here, and then you'll be signed into your Bet365 account on your computer. And there guys, this is how to log into your Bet365 account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.